Hi there, beautiful people, welcome back to Amo in Cucina. Today's recipe, I'm gonna show you how to make potatoes omelette. It's something special, of course, very special. We're gonna use two ingredients. Main ingredients are potatoes and chickpeas flour. And also, I'm gonna put inside the vegan cheese. Crunch on the bottom, crunch on the top, and yes, it's very soft inside with the melting cheese. And what else? Let's start. And see you next time. Ciao!